My name is K. Ramachari, lecturer in geology. My first video completed total invertebrates, Protozoa, Florifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Now today start Protozoa, detailed study. And after that Protozoa means proto means first, zoos means animals. First animals are including in Protozoa. Protozoa, another name is called single cell animal. Actually, different in organism, different type of organism. Cell formed tissues are formed, organs are formed, organ systems are formed, organisms. Organisms totally population formed community formed ecosystem formed biosphere. But basic point is cell is the structural functional unit of organism. Protozoa, another name is called single cell animal, but single cell animals discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, but name allotted by single cell animals name allotted by Goldfuss. These are first time primitive organisms. Primitive organisms means that totally very simply organisms. Only one cell. Our body different cells, human body structure, different type of tissues are there. But this protozoa group of animal body made up of only one cell. One cell is all functions. And body organization in protozoa, protoplasmic grade of organization. Your some competitive level very important. Protoplasmic grade of organization, cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization, organ system level of organization. But this one may protoplasmic, very simple organization. Protoplasmic grade of organization, protozoa. But cellular level of organization, Florifera. Tissue level of organization, Cnidaria. Organ level of organization, Platyhelminthes. Organ system, annelida to higher mammals. And after that, these are solitary or colonial. Solitary means a single living state. Colonial group of animal living. Next one, they are symbiotic or parasitic. Parasitic means that depending on another organisms. And next one, it measures 0.002 mm to 16 mm. This is the protozoa, some important points. Next one, protozoa, locomotion means that one place to another place displacement. Locomotion organs in protozoa, number one is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia present in amoeba. Cilia present in paramecium. Flagella present in euglena. This one is pseudopodia, entamoeba, and this one is Cilia, paramecium, and flagella, euglena. And next one, actually protozoa group of animals, eukaryotic animals. Sir, why called eukaryotic animal? Actually cells are two types, prokaryotic animals, eukaryotic animals. Prokaryotic animals primitive nucleus or without nucleus. And eukaryotic means the presence of nucleus. 100% right answer. Protozoa group of animals, eukaryotic animals. So the body contains nucleus. It contains one or more nucleus is present in protozoa. Next, digestion. Any group of animals, protozoa to higher animals, mammals. Digestion is digestion, respiration, excretion, nervous system, muscle system, reproductive system should compulsory different functioning. But this one digestion means that complementary food substances change to simple absorption material is called the digestion. Digestion is a chemical process in any organism. Protozoa group of animals digestion, intracellular digestion. Some persons, what is the intracellular digestion? Intracellular protozoa animals are only single cell. For example, amoeba. This is the amoeba structure. This is the amoeba. Only one cell. Food material entering into the inside the cell. So we called intracellular digestion. Our human body system outside of this cell, food material. So we call it extracellular digestion. This is the digestion. Digestion is one intracellular in protozoa. Next, nutrition. Nutrition is also a very important role in any organism. In protozoa nutrition process, holozoic, saprozoic and parasitic. Parasitic means that to depending on another organisms. Next one, respiration. Respiration is very important role in any organism. Respiration main energy provider. Respiration, for example, our human body system, respiration, lungs. Respiration main important role. Our human body system, lungs, pulmonary respiration. Some are water animal, marine and freshwater animals, gill respiration, bronchial respiration. But this one, very primitive animals in protozoa respiration is by simple diffusion process. Simple diffusion process present in protozoa. Simple diffusion process. And excretion is by in protozoa contractile vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles. But our human body system excretion kidney structures. This process contractile vacuoles. Next one, reproduction in protozoa. Reproduction common points in any organisms. Common metabolic common process reproduction. Two parts in protozoa: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction mainly binary fission. Binary fission. Sir, what is the meaning of binary fission, sir? Someone doubt. Bi means indicate two. Fission means divided. One mother cell divided into two daughter cells is called that binary fission. Some protozoans also multiple binary fission. Multiple binary fission means that one mother cells divided into many cells. This is the multiple binary fission. Binary fission also divided two parts: longitudinally binary fission, transverse binary fission. Longitudinally binary fission present in Euglena, transverse binary fission present in Paramecium. Next one, sexual reproduction, conjugation. Conjugation means that in protozoa favorable condition asexual reproduction, unfavorable condition sexual reproduction. Conjugation means that unfavorable condition to different type of paramecium exchange of gametes. This one is called conjugation. This is the introduction part to protozoa. First of all, what is the meaning of protozoa? Proto means first zooxanthous animals. Protozoa first discovered by Andrew Leeuwenhoek, and protozoa name allotted by Goldfuss. They are primitive, and after that protozoa's digestion, intracellular digestion, and these are living in all places, all different places. And after that reproduction, asexual sexual reproduction, and next one digestion, intracellular, nutrition, holozoic, saprozoic and parasitic, respiration, simple diffusion, excretion, contractile vacuoles. And after that protozoa examples: amoeba, paramecium, euglena, trypanosoma, monocystis. These are verticella. These are examples of proteasis, malaria, gambia fever, different type of examples protozoa diseases. Next we will continue video classification of protozoa. Thank you so much.